Hi everyone, I'm back. Okay, this is going to be lot CH1 for $100 shipped. I'm going to just get right into it, but I'm going to caveat the first two items because I seem to have misplaced something and I don't know where it is. Making Christmas Bright and Making Every Day Bright has a punch, and I had it, but I can't find it anywhere. So I don't know where it is. If I can find it before the box ships, I'll put it in the box, but I have looked everywhere I usually keep my punches and I can't find it. So I don't know whether it accidentally got put in with something else, but anyway, I don't have the punch available. But I have both stamp sets. They're both photopolymer, and I'm not sure I ever used this one, the Making Every Day Bright, which is really cute. It's got like pine cones and feathers and little penguin and everything. But I did use this one several times, Making Christmas Bright. Okay, we have tidings all around, and we have the all around wreath dies that go with that one. That's photopolymer also. We have snowflake sentiments. Now I do not have the dies that go with this. I think I actually might have destashed or given them away previously, so I just have the sentiments, and they're beautiful sentiments and snowflakes. This one is Memories of Home. Now this does coordinate with the one Gleaming Ornament duo, but they carried those forward into the new holiday catalog, so I can't sell that yet, but this would go with that as well as the one that's in the carryover catalog. So lots of sentiments on there. I really like that one. Merry Little Labels, and this goes with the, it's a carried over punch too, which is this one, Everyday Label Punch, goes with this, Let It Snow. I don't know that they all do, but yeah, so I think so. I don't know, I know this one goes with that, but anyway, that retired last year, and I used it once or twice, maybe. Not even, yeah, maybe. Okay, then we have some embossing folders. Oh My Stars, never used, pretty sure. And Winter Knit 3D embossing folder. I don't have the plastic, but I have the wrapper. The Cling stamp set called Christmas Countdown. Now this goes with the they carried over the kit, which makes the little boxes, the what do you call that? The Countdown to Christmas box kit. Anyway, but they didn't carry over this stamp set, and I love this little cardinal here and the borders and this here. So that is Cling. Painted Seasons was a celebration from, I believe, a year ago, and the Four Seasons framelit dies that go with it. This was one of the first distinctive stamps I had, and I loved it, and they had matching paper, but that's not in the box. Pleasant Pheasants, I did use that, I think, once, twice maybe, the wheelbarrow once and the pheasants once. Nice for Thanksgiving. Hashtag Elfie, I did use this stamp set once. I mean, the whole set once. It's really cute. That's from last year's holiday catalog. Birds of a Feather, same thing. This is adorable. I love it, but I just don't have room to keep all these, even though they're adorable. Okay, then we have First Frost, which is a clear mount set, and the Frosted Bouquet framelits dies that goes with it. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then we have Tags and Tidings photopolymer set. This is the one, it's all one stamp and all one die, but the die cuts out all the little individual stamps, tags for you. So yeah, you stamp it once, then you can color it and then cut it all out at once. That's kind of cool. And Playful Penguins Cling stamp set also, and I used that, I'm sure, once. Yep. Okay, so that is lot CH1, $100 shipped. I'll be back with the next one shortly. Okay, everyone, this next one is lot CH2. It's SU-CH2. It will be $125 shipped. It is stamps, dies, and in one case some Memories and More cards. I'm going to show you them first. The Holly Jolly Christmas and the Jolly Season dies are included. This is Cling. This is from last year. Love that Santa. This is a cute set. And also the opened and partially used, but not much, of the Memories and More card pack and envelopes as well. So you get the cards, the striped envelopes, as well as the Memories and More cards. And also what's left of the Night Before Christmas DSP, and I am including these pouches, so that's a bonus. So that's that one. Then we have Shine Bright with the Stitched Brightly dies. I love that piece on Earth in this here. The ever popular Ride With Me truck set that makes the little truck with the dies, or you can just stamp it, and you've got Happy Harvest, Christmas, the balloons, the Christmas tree, the pumpkins that go on the back of the truck, and different components you can stamp different ways, and then the dies that cut out and make the little truck. Yep. Okay, Thoughtful Blooms, which was just a celebration, and it coordinates with the small bloom punch, but I can't sell that to you because it's still current. The stamp set is not, but the punch is. Mistletoe Season. I didn't find a die with this, so I don't know if there was one. But I do remember like the little half-inch circle punch or something cut out these bells. And this is a two-step stamp, so you can stamp your bow once and then color it in, that kind of thing. And same, I guess, with these, whatever these are. Then we have Star of Light. I don't believe I ever got to use this. This is photopolymer. 2 sets in it though. And coordinating dies, Starlight Thinlits dies. Yep, don't think I ever got to use them. This one I did have fun with, Seasonal Chums and the coordinating seasonal tags, framelits dies. So yeah, and it's got the jack-o'-lantern, the little reindeer, really cute. And how this works is you stamp it once and then it die cuts it and then it folds over so that you see the front and back of them. It's really cute. Then we have At Home With You, also nice for holidays or birthdays or hospitality. You've got some seasonal flowers and things here, and holly for around the door and lanterns and presents, and the At Home framelits dies. I did use that a few times, and that is photopolymer. Hoot Hoot Hooray! I do remember making a small set of little note cards with this. And this is Cling, and they're all there, they're used, but I keep my stamps fairly well clean. Photopolymer stains, but they're still fine. And this one, I think I only used this one and maybe this. Yeah, I think those two. And really cute budding borders. I'm sorry to see this one go. I had this in my not to sell box. This is called Fable Friends, Easter, Baby, and Spring. I love this little squirrel, and I love it all, actually. So I don't even have all of them off the little duckies and the whatever this says. Glad We're Friends. I never even took off the thing, and so those Cling papers are still there too. That's Fable Friends. This one I used this sunflower. I think this is, no, it doesn't say 2-step. Anyway, Painted Harvest. I don't have any dies or anything to go with it. Really pretty stamp set. Love it. And Peaceful Place, and I did use this image once. I don't think I used any, well, I used that and this sentiment, and that's it. So this box is 125 shipped, and that is lot SU-CH2, and I'll be back with SU-CH3. Okay guys, here I come with SU-CH3. It'll be in a medium flat rate, but it's going to be in this squarish shaped box instead of the long one. The other ones are in the long one. you're going to get whatever I have left, including the stamps and dies from Everything is Rosy. There's some foil paper, there's some papers, ribbons, bling, that's in there. You're going to get a kerchief card kit that I never opened. I did have two, I guess, and I used one. You're going to get the remainder of these scalloped cards and envelopes in terracotta tile, balmy blue, pink, and old olive. You're going to get what's left of the little snowman kit. It was called, I put the little label in here, Let It Snow embellishment kit. Lots of little noses and coal buttons and arms and some little snowballs and this glittery washi tape and lots of felt pieces still. Hardly used any of this. Oh, maybe even a die cut. Part of a snowman. That was from the Snowman Builder Punch, but that is still current, so I'm not selling that. Alright, the tin from Bird Valley. Now there's not that many in here, but there are, well, I don't know. There's a few. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it looks like, cards and envelopes. And they're all this lacy, laser cut look, and the tin also. Okay, and then this Hollyberry punch with the Hollyberry Happiness stamp set, and a few tags probably out of a paper kit, I don't know. The painted glass. Let me move this stuff. Hang on. Painted glass clear mount stamp set. Again, it's not cling. Really like that one too. And this is the stained glass thinlits. The lovely lily pad, which was a recent celebration. I had trouble letting go of this one too. And the lily pad dies. And time for tags, which I did use. This is cling. This one's photopolymer and is reversible. And I used 3 of these in the time for tags. 2 pots of embossing powder that are retired. One is shimmer white, which has sort of silvery in it. I put them in a baggie just so they don't leak. And shimmer black. So they're in there. Blended Seasons. These are clear mount, 1 and 2, beautiful set. Okay, and the coordinating Stitch Season Framelits dies. And lastly, Music from the Heart. So this one's kind of a mixture, and this is SU-CH3, and it's $100 shipped. Alright guys, I think that is it, and I will have comments disabled. Just a reminder, it is USA only, friends and family only, first come, first served, email only. I'll put my email below the video. Specify the lot number that you want. I'll reply that whether it's still available or not. And if it is, and I reply to you that it is, that you are the one that is getting it, then please pay me on PayPal. I'll give you my PayPal email within an hour, 2 at most, because if there's somebody behind you that wants it, it definitely has to be paid within an hour, because otherwise I have to go to the next person in line, and because I want to get these all shipped out tomorrow. All sales are final. I'll put that in the description box below. No returns and no exchanges. And if you have any questions, ask me before you commit to buying, and I'll be happy to try and help you as best I can. All right, everyone, have a great rest of your weekend and a great week ahead, and I will talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.